Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by backing up all important data to the cloud or to a computer. This prevents losing photos, contacts, and app data when you change security settings. Make sure the phone is charged to at least 50% before you begin. Confirm that you know the current PIN, password, or pattern because Android requires it to remove the lock. Go to Settings, then Security, and then Screen Lock to access lock options. If you use a work profile, check with your administrator first. Proceed only after confirming backups and access. Open the Settings app and navigate to Security or Lock Screen Settings. Tap Screen Lock or Lock Screen Type to view available lock options. You will be prompted to enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to confirm your identity. After authentication, choose None or swipe to remove the password entirely from the device. If biometric options are active, you may need to remove fingerprints and face data afterward. Some devices require a device restart to apply the new lock settings. Confirm the new lock state. If you cannot unlock the phone, a factory reset is a final option that erases all data. Power off the device and enter recovery mode using the device-specific button combination. In recovery, choose Wipe Data or Factory Reset to remove the lock and restore factory settings. Alternatively, use Google Find My Device to remotely erase the phone if it is online and you own the associated Google account. Advanced users with USB debugging enabled can use ADB for specific maintenance tasks. Remember that any reset will remove personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.